How to sell Bitcoin on MoonPay. In order to sell Bitcoin on MoonPay, open the MoonPay app and from the top just go to the sell tab that you can see right here. If you have anything to sell like Bitcoin or even any other cryptocurrency, you'll find them over here. Select your crypto and select sell. Then type in how much BTC you want to sell, ensuring it meets the minimum threshold, and enter your email address. Then input your bank account information or eligible debit card where you want to receive your cash payout. Provide any requested personal details and finish the security identity verification if you are a new user. You can also check the exchange rates and fee summary, then accept the terms to confirm the order. Then you can copy the unique deposit wallet address given by MoonPay and set the exact amount of Bitcoin from your external crypto wallet within 7 days. This way you can sell Bitcoin on MoonPay. Hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.